Yo guys, what's going on? Colin James back with a new video. Hope you're all having a great day. Today's video is going to be a little bit different from the other videos that I have done previously. This is because I do want to talk about the subject of how I come up with my video ideas and basically how I integrate all them ideas into my content. Yeah, before we get into this video, please make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Also smash that like button if you are enjoying my content, and hit that bell button as it does notify you every time that I post. So yeah, let's get straight into today's video.
I know the reason why we chose to say goodbye, but I can't help my feelings.
So starting off, I do want to say straight off the bat how I come up with most of my video ideas is basically it's like 3 o'clock in the morning and I'm just highly procrastinating at 3 o'clock in the morning. I know it's quite late, but highly procrastinating at this time, and wabam, idea comes to me, springs to my mind. I quickly jot it down on my phone, and then the next day or the next couple of days I spend my time recording it. That's basically my number one of how I come up with this, or most of my ideas on YouTube. The second way of coming up with ideas on YouTube is basically going on the YouTube trending page and seeing what's trending, seeing what's popping off, seeing basically any of these videos that you are seeing on this trending page, see if you like them. If you do, incorporate some of their ideas or anything like that into your videos, and it could spring your video higher up in the algorithm and you could be seen more. This is one that I don't really tend to do. I like original content basically, but as I said, original content is quite hard to find on YouTube, as practically everything that you see on YouTube has been done before, has been replicated in some sort of way. But that's also a great thing because you can take something from someone else's video and replicate it in your own way, so it's unique to you and your viewers. So yeah, that's also another great idea. I also have stolen some ideas from other content creators, like How to Beast basically. He does a load of like cinematics within his vlogging, and I tend to incorporate that into my work because I do like that style of, because I like to make stuff more cinematic, and I don't know, I think it just intrigues the viewer basically into your work. Like as an intro, if you have like cinematics in your intro and not just talking to the camera like I am today, it will probably intrigue more of the audience into your work and get them to subscribe, get them to like your work and all that good stuff. My third tip for good ideas on YouTube is basically looking at creators that you're into and that you like to watch, and maybe incorporate some of their ideas in their videos that they have and incorporate it into your own videos, which will make your videos more interesting to make for you. So you like replicating someone else's content, but in your own style, which is like I said before, but yeah, just from like a content creator that you enjoy most watching and anything like that really. So if they incorporate like an idea like, like Logan Paul just did have this for an idea. He just like got a treadmill and he got this idea from another video and he launched himself into a swimming pool from a treadmill going different speeds, which is quite enjoyable to watch. It's entertainment basically. And yeah, so just incorporating other ideas from other YouTubers that you like to watch, which will help you really enjoy your like making your content. So yeah. The fourth and final tip I have for you guys who are creating video content, or how I create my content, is basically if you like doing like a certain thing, like maybe a certain sport, maybe, I don't know, you like to eat food, or you like to do fitness, maybe incorporate that into your work as well. Like I've incorporated in the past fitness into it, but ever since gym closed, that went downhill. Also, I incorporate sports into it, like I cycle. Also, I surf, so I can incorporate that into it. I can make that cinematic. But yeah, anything you like to do, like maybe you like to eat food, maybe do a video about food, and maybe do like a food challenge or something. I love to eat food, so that could be later on, that could be one of my videos. So yeah, just incorporate anything that you like or you enjoy into your own work, and then you will enjoy your work even more. It makes you create even better content, even more content for your viewers, just doing something that you like. So yeah, basically that is my fourth and final tip. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I know it's quite short, but I thought I did want to get this video out there and just tell you guys how I create my videos basically. I also, extra tip, is also ask your friends, ask your family, see what videos they like to watch, see what content they like to watch, and maybe incorporate some of their ideas into your own work. So that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you did enjoy. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button down below if you do like my content. Also smash that like button if you're enjoying this video, and also hit that post notification bell. I'll see you guys in the next video.